Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazamurdi and I'm here to teach you the Dart language. If you want to be a Flutter developer, you want to develop a Flutter apps, you need to learn Dart language before that. So if you want to learn Dart from zero to the hero, from the 0 to 100%, please consider following this playlist. So let's go. I'm going to use dartpad.dev in order to uh, teach you the Dart language. It's a website which is online and you can directly use it to run your Dart code without needing to be have any um, PCs or laptops. So if you want to learn, you can directly use this website which is dartpad.dev. And if you don't want to do that, please you can go to the um, dartpad dart.dev, which has an dart.dev, and then go to the get dart, and you can install dart if you want to, or even you can only install the Flutter SDKs, and which has Dart SDK included in the Flutter SDK. So you do not need to directly install the Dart language. If you install the Flutter SDK in your PCs, then that's enough. There is no need to install the Dart SDKs alongside with the Flutter SDKs. So if you want to install the Dart language, Dart SDKs, you can go to dart.dev slash get.dart, which is super easy. And then you can use Choco to install the Dart SDK, which is available at the Chocolati org. And then go to try it now. And then you can install it. As you see over here, there's two ways to install it, which is super easy. So let's go ahead. After you install it, it will be directly enabled in the uh, in your terminal, and then you can directly use it in the VS Code. But it's easier to use it directly in the your websites such as web browsers such as Chrome or Firefox or Edge. So there is no difference between them. All of them run the Dart code. So I'm going to choose the easiest way to run the Dart code, which is directly using the dartpad.dev, which is super easy to run your Dart code. I'm going to show you the first code that any programmers write when they start a programming language. So it's called printing hello world. So I'm going to print. It's a function, as you see, it's a method. As you see, if I click over it, it's a method which takes an object. I'm going to pass it a string, which is some characters. Okay, hello world. So, or we can directly use, for example, some other text if you want it. So I'm going to start with hello world. As you see, if I run the code directly in the dartpad, you will see hello world in the console. As you see, there is hello world in the console. It can be any text that you wish to and that you want. For example, I want to call hello mom, for example, and we will see hello mom over here, which is really amazing. So it was our first run, our first code that we had written in the Dart language, which is the simple print. So I think that's enough for now. We're going to talk about variables and some other things later in the next video. So thank you for watching. If you like my wood or my coding, please leave a like or comment to my videos. If you want to watch these videos more, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.